Hi everybody! Today we're going to work on the metal insets. We've worked on the metal insets before over video, but this time we're going to challenge ourselves with metal inset number 10. Please make sure you find an object that is a circle or an oval. If you don't have one, your mom and dad can print out the metal inset worksheet on the Google Drive and you can use that to trace. Please make sure you have your colored pencils and your shape ready. I have all of my materials ready. I have my paper, I have 3 colored pencils, and I have my shape. The bottom of this bottle is almost an oval. So the first thing we do for metal inset number 10 is we make a dot in the middle of the paper. That's where we're going to start each oval at. Then I'm going to match this to the dot. I'm going to first make 4 ovals. One, two, three. It's okay if they're not perfect. When we use household objects, they're not always the same size as the ones we have at school. I want to make sure I'm not drawing on the table, and please make sure you're not using an object that is really special to your mom and dad. Make sure it's okay for you to use pencils with it, please. I traced 4, so now I'm going to choose a different color. And I'm going to trace 4 more. I'm on my last one. I'm going to make sure I get all the way around. Now my object is really big, so you have 2 choices. You can fill in this extra space with another oval, or you can start coloring. I decided I'm going to start coloring. Each section is a different part of the shape. I'm not going to color 2 sections next to each other the same. I could use different patterns. So I can have green stripes next to green colored in. Or I can even use different colors. Some spots are going to be really tiny, and some spots might be bigger. Keep going until you have all of the spaces filled in. I made the video of me coloring my metal inset really fast. I wanted to make sure you had time to color your own metal inset. This video is really fast, so please don't try to color this fast on your own papers. You might end up coloring on your table. I finished coloring my metal inset. I wonder what other household objects I could use to make something like this. Why don't you go try? Maybe you can show me one for show and tell on Friday.